Olive oil overview. Olive oil, extracted from olives, is a fundamental component of the Mediterranean diet. It's praised for its health benefits and is used extensively in cooking, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and traditional medicines. Types of olive oil. 1. Extra virgin olive oil EVOO, highest quality, cold pressed, with low acidity. 2. Virgin olive oil, slightly higher acidity, still cold pressed. 3. Refined olive oil, processed to remove flaws, lacks the flavor of virgin oils. 4. Pure olive oil, a blend of refined and virgin oils. 5. Pomace olive oil, made from the residue left after the initial pressing. Nutritional composition. Monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Polyphenols, antioxidants that protect cells from damage. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect skin and cells. Vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Health benefits of olive oil. 1. Heart health, reduces LDL cholesterol levels. Increases HDL cholesterol levels. Lowers blood pressure. Reduces risk of heart disease and stroke. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties, contains oleocanthal, which mimics the effect of ibuprofen in reducing inflammation. 3. Antioxidant benefits, rich in polyphenols, which protect cells from oxidative damage. 4. Improved digestion, stimulates digestive enzymes. Alleviates constipation. 5. Weight management, promotes satiety and reduces hunger. 6. Diabetes management, improves insulin sensitivity. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. 7. Bone health, enhances calcium absorption. Supports bone mineralization. 8. Skin health, moisturizes and nourishes the skin. Reduces signs of aging. Treats eczema and psoriasis. 9. Hair health, conditions and strengthens hair. Reduces dandruff and scalp dryness. 10. Cancer prevention, contains compounds that may reduce cancer risk. 11. Brain health, improves cognitive function. Reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease. 12. Antibacterial properties, effective against bacteria like Helicobacter pylori. 13. Liver health, assists in liver detoxification. 14. Immune system support, strengthens the immune response. 15. Pain relief, natural anti-inflammatory, can reduce arthritis pain. 16. Eye health, supports retinal health and reduces the risk of macular degeneration. 17. Wound healing, speeds up the healing of wounds and burns. 18. Improves cholesterol levels, lowers overall cholesterol levels. 19. Reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, enhances insulin sensitivity. 20. Prevents gallstones, stimulates bile production and flow. 21. Anti-aging benefits, fights wrinkles and skin aging. 22. Improves gut health, supports a healthy gut microbiome. 23. Enhances mood, reduces the risk of depression. 24. Improves circulation, enhances blood flow and circulation. 25. Boosts metabolism, helps in maintaining a healthy metabolic rate. Uses of olive oil. 1. Cooking, ideal for sautéing, roasting, and salad dressings. 2. Cosmetics, used in lotions, soaps, and moisturizers. 3. Medicinal, employed in traditional remedies for various ailments. 4. Hair care, used as a natural conditioner and scalp treatment. 5. Skin care, applied directly to the skin for hydration and healing. 6. Massage oil, used for its soothing properties. 7. Dietary supplement, consumed for its health benefits. 8. Household, used for polishing furniture and stainless steel. 9. Aromatherapy, used as a carrier oil for essential oils. Conclusion: olive oil is a versatile and beneficial oil with a wide range of uses and health benefits. Its regular consumption and application can significantly improve overall health and well-being. Please like and share with your friends and family. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Not to miss any of our future books and tutorials. Visit us at our websites www.orensbooks.com and www.orensblackmuseum.com. May the rest of your life be the best of your life. Oren Z.